Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rooftop Gardening. This is the java flower that I'm growing, so I have keep you updated. So this is very good growth for this plant. So I have cutted this plant in 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, and I have planted the cutted part in the bottom, you can see, but the growths are not actually very good. But these parts, I think 10 to 20 branches in each plant have grown up, so these are very beautifully grown, and I will give you an update in the future. I am giving fertilizer and soils, fertilizer in the soil and watering it for quite a few times, and as you can see, their growths are very good. The plants are beautifully green, and I don't know what will happen in the future, but yeah, the soil is actually drenched. All the nutrients have gone down because of the condition of the raining condition, but right now, because it was raining for the past 3 to 4 days, the soils have lost their nutrition, but I will be giving the soil fertilizer in the next day. So yeah, this is very good. I think within the next 2 to 3 months it will be very grown and bushy and rounded up, and I'll keep you updated for the fruiting and flowering stages. I will be showing you the result, and you can subscribe for the other result like my tomato plant, spinach plant and other tomato plant. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Thank you for viewing this video and stay tuned for more.